English shorthand legal dictation 100 word per minute. Ready? Start. The petitioners herein claim themselves to be duly recognized committee of management and the manager of a registered society in the name of Arya Degree College Association Manwa Meerut. A writ petition was filed before this court by the third and the fourth respondents contending that they had made a complaint regarding illegal induction of 1450 members by the petitioners, and the second respondent, taking cognizance of the said complaint, has called for comments from the petitioners, but no further action is being taken in the matter. The writ petition was disposed of by this court by order dated 20th January 2016, observing that the second respondent shall take necessary measures to conclude the proceedings expeditiously in accordance with law, after granting opportunity of hearing to the petitioners therein. Following the directions given in the writ petition, the second respondent issued notice to the petitioners, and they appeared before him on 4th to 2016. However, they failed to produce the original records before him relating to the induction of 1450 members in the general body by the impugned communication dated 18th to 2016. The second respondent has informed the petitioners had, in view of failure on part of the petitioners in producing the original records, dispute several notices, he is unable to with the orders of this court. It has further been observed that in the absence of the original record being produced before him, the induction of the new members appears to be doubtful. It has further been noted that in such circumstances, in case compliance of the order of this court is not made, the petitioners will be responsible for the same. The petitioners have approached this court challenging the aforesaid communication dated 18th to 2016 on the ground that power under section 4-B, which has been invoked by the second respondent in issuing the impugned notice, was not available to him, as it could only be exercised at the time of registration renewal of the society. It is urged that in the instant case no such occasion has arisen, as the renewal was granted on 30th 11/2011 and is valid for 5 years from 26th 9/2011. It is further submitted that the observation in the impugned order that induction of the new members appears to be doubtful will cause serious prejudice to the petitioners, as adverse inference is likely to be drawn against them at the time they apply for registration of list of new office bearers under section 4 of the Act. On the other hand, Sri Nipun Singh, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondents, and 3 and 4 submitted that since the membership dispute has been raised before the second respondent, any adjudication made by the deputy registrar in that regard is referable to section 4-B of the Act. It is further submitted that in the impugned communication, the second respondent has not declared the induction of new members to be invalid but only observed that non-production of the original record is creating suspicion on the validity of their induction. Stop.